An appropriate education is necessary for anyone who plans to seek employment in the field of nursing. Prospective students can choose from among many NJ nursing schools. An individual can learn the skills necessary to work in this field at a vocational technical school, or a college education can be pursued. No matter which kind of school one chooses, however, a nurse's job description is the same. Each program is somewhat different from the rest. However, all prospective nurses will receive the same basic education. The programs are made up of classroom, lectures and clinical experience at a medical facility. The amount of time necessary to finish the course will depend on the school where the student has decided to obtain his or her education. In most nursing programs, students are trained in a variety of tasks. These include administration of medications, the monitoring of vital signs, and the placement of equipment such as intravenous lines and urinary catheters. Students are also taught to assist with surgical procedures, help patients with their activities of daily living, and monitor patients' food consumption and bowel and bladder habits. All training programs include instructions on how to chart each patient's progress. This task requires that one learn medical abbreviations and terminology. Enrollees must also acquire an education in mathematics. The latter may include ratio and proportion, and in some instances, algebra. As previously mentioned, the length of time it takes to complete one's training depends on the establishment in which the prospective student has enrolled. The average length of time it takes to complete such courses, however, is usually somewhere between 1 year and 18 months. College courses are typically 18 months in length, while those who pursue their education at a vocational technical school can expect to be enrolled for approximately 1 year. If a nursing science degree is being pursued, whether an associate or bachelor program, one should prepare to attend school for 2 to 4 years. A college degree is necessary if one wants to become a registered nurse. Those who want to seek employment as practical nurses can acquire the appropriate education at a vocational technical school. Proof of a high school diploma is usually required in order to enroll in most programs of this kind. An entrance exam must also be passed. In order to be issued a license, after completing the appropriate education, one must pass a state-approved exam. When these things have been accomplished, the individual is then qualified to pursue employment as a nurse. It is important to choose a school with care when one has made the decision to become a nurse. This is because each program available is slightly different from the rest, and it is essential for the prospective student to choose the learning institution that best meets his or her needs. This will ensure a satisfactory outcome. Due to the high demand for practical and registered nurses, students can anticipate many job opportunities upon graduation. Additionally, the demand for such professionals is expected to increase steadily throughout the year 2018. For this reason, individuals planning to attend NJ nursing schools are making a wise investment in their future.